Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena. I'm live here at MWC 2018, and this is my quick hands-on look at the Nokia 8 Sirocco. I'm actually very surprised by this phone because it is a premium offering, and considering what HMD has done in the last year or so, it's really surprising that they're making this aggressive push. The first thing that really stands out to me about the phone is its premium design. It looks good, it feels good, and I gotta say, it's on par to all the top players out there. It could be easily mistaken for a Samsung Galaxy device because of its similarities. That's because it features that glass meets metal construction, and in fact, it's fashioned from a single block of stainless steel and gives it a fair amount of substance. And you also have those slick curved edges similar to what you see in Samsung's flagship devices. Holding it for the very first time, I gotta say I'm really impressed by the solid build quality. Like I said, very on par to what you see from the big players out there, which is surprising because we're talking about HMD here. Secondly, the specs on this phone are really good too. Considering the price point, you're gonna get a 5.5-inch 2K plastic OLED display with 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 layered on top of it. Excellent details, great clarity, good punchy colors, and those subtle curved edges definitely accentuates its stylish demeanor. It's running the Android One experience, so no bloatware, nothing like that, and the phone runs really fast thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. It's not the 845, it's last year's chipset, but it's still incredibly fast and snappy. And that's made better knowing that it's paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage with support for micro SD cards. And the last thing here that really caught my attention is the camera in the back. Actually, two cameras. It uses a dual camera system. It breaks down to a regular 12 megapixel shooter, and then there's a 13 megapixel telephoto one. So with this combination and the Zeiss branding, it's going to deliver those nice portrait shots where you have this live bokeh mode. So you have sharp looking subject and then you have blown out backgrounds. It also even offers a pro mode where you can actually adjust many of the parameters like the shutter speed, the ISO, and focus. So if you're really into photography, you'll appreciate this. Obviously, HMD is not wasting any time, and they're starting off the year on an aggressive push because with the Nokia 8 Sirocco, they have a solid offering. You have a phone that strikes a balance with its premium looking design and really good specs, all for the price of 749 euros. That's a lower price point than most flagships on the market right now, and even those ultra premium devices like the iPhone X or even the Note 8. However, there is no word yet on whether or not it's going to be making its way to the US, so in a way, that kind of limits its reach. So if you guys want to learn more about the Nokia 8 Sirocco, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.